you, mods! Okay, everyone. Like I said, I started exactly where I left off. So we're going to go ahead and start this game. Automatron. So I'm going to kill these guys, save from bonus, 1 life every 25. Now, I've never played this one. What am I... Ah! Ah! No, I don't want to quit game. No. I don't know what my goal is. I'm pushing buttons. Am I supposed to be... Ah! I'm rescuing guys. Okay. Avoiding the monkeys. Here. Run from the monkeys. Yes. A swarm of monkeys. I wonder if that's what they're called. Ooh, come here. Are you gonna blow you up? No, damn it. Okay, does it blow me up? Yes, of course it does. Alright. So... what do I do? No, I don't want to quit game. I'm just pushing buttons, trying to figure out how to play this. Huh. Oh. That's a first. So I use my right controller to shoot. That's good to know. Awesome! Oh! Damn you monkeys! Damn you all to hell! Planet of the Apes reference there, people. Come on. But there was no monkeys in Planet of the Apes. That's why they're called apes. Okay, look. I died. Thanks a lot. Yes, I'm gonna play again. Okay. These are... oh, they're not monkeys! They're Mr. Handies! Oh, they look like monkeys! That's not nearly as funny. Fine. I'll play with the Mr. Handies. I'm sure that'll, you know, get something out of it. Hopefully I don't grow any hair on my hands. That was another masturbation joke, everybody. Mr. Handy, get it. Ha! Oh no! It's the Assaultrons on top of the Mr. Handies! Come on, save him! Save him! Come on, Billy!
Oh, Billy.
Okay. How come it didn't... when I saved the dudes last time? Didn't... okay. Maybe I only have to kill all the Mr. Handies? Come here. Come here, you. Hey, don't run away! Yep, it's only the Mr. Handies. That's good to know. Ah, there's so many of them! They're swarming at... oh no, they're shooting at me! Damn it! Hope I didn't blow out the mic there. Okay, come on. Come on. Ah! Stop shooting. Wait, are the people shooting at me? Who's shooting at... no! It was, what are those things? The Assaultrons? The ones that are human-shaped? Shoot lasers out of their faces? Oh, very tricky. So I'm running at him thinking it's a human, and it's actually an Assaultron. Okay. Where's that, the Assaultron? Well, I don't know. When I get to the main menu, I'll see, because I have them all listed. This, I'm glad they added this, though, because this has actually been a staple of Fallout 4, is the little 8-bit computer games that you can play. Get away from me, Mr. Handy. I feel a sneeze coming on, people, so if I sneeze, I'll probably blow out the mic for a second. I apologize. Hopefully he hangs on his game and catches it. Oh, come on. Yeah! Alright. Oh, I blew up! Okay, no, I don't want to play again, but I do want to see... okay, so you got iBots, Mr. Handies, Robo-Brains, Assaultrons, just like I said, and Sentries. Those are what those guys are called. Yes, I want to quit. Thank you very much, because I'm sure as enjoyable as this was, people wanting me to get on with it.
Yes, get on with it!
You really are taking the path of most resistance here, aren't you?
Was that an insult, Ada? Are you bashing on my skills here? Ah! Okay, fine. I suck. Oh shit! It's an Assaultron demon! No! No! Die! Die! Because I don't want you to shoot me in my face with your laser face!
Not in the face! Not in the face!
Die! Woo! Oh, I'm almost dead. Come on. Oh no! Legendary Mr. Handy War Machine has... no.
Lost them.
Oh, lost him. Yeah, thank you. Boom! Boom, 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 boom. No, too far. Come on. Boom! Take that! Pimp slap you with my gun. Take that! Alright, fine. Ha-ha. Ha-ha.
I said ha ha!
Oh, oh. Machine gun. There's no way that gauntlet's able to... Bam! Alright, who is...
Continue.
Are you gonna blow up? No? Okay. Fusion cell, robot repair kit. New mods available. Yay! I love it when I get new mods! Oh! I don't feel so... Okay. Damaged and destroyed power armor pieces can be repaired at Power Armor Station. And how many times can I go with my pigs and something with the Pip Boy? Alright. Now where the hell am I going? Okay. Apparently I'm going this way. Yay!
Yay!
No, that's just a container. Ooh, but maybe there was something there because I saw it. Yes. Oh. And here apparently I can, yeah, okay. Repair. Can I repair? No, but apparently I can't get out there. Okay. I don't want a cigar box. Okay, well, I never did get used to it. You know what? Screw it. I don't need the power armor anyway. I'm a badass without it. Get me out of here. Okay. Let's find the exit. And then I will call it good for now. Except, aw, man! Damn it, son of a... Alright, folks. I'm going to end it right here. And I'm going to find the exit. And we will pick up from that point. Okay, that way we can continue our adventures with our brain in a jar and my lovely new companion, Ada. So I will see you all in the next video. Pix, signing off. Aw, man! Damn it, son